left right down here, baby. Okay.
Thanksgiving, and Thomas got a radio-controlled car from his cousins in Japan. Race it, dude! And Dolan's just happy to be running in grass. Hey, Dolly.
Yeah. How about this house? Oh, yeah.
You go get it.
Go get it, Dolly. Circles? Are you running in circles?
What do you think, Thomas? I heard you sneaking up on me. Hey, Dolan.
Yeah.
Say hi. Say hi. Whoa.
Hi.
Hi. Say I love you.
Whoa.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, look. Drinking again. Dolan, go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Dolly.
You're good at that, Thomas.
It's backing up.
You're backing it up.
Adjust it. Who hit that thing?
Go get that thing.
It super backs up.
It super backs up?
Yeah.
What do you think of that thing, Thomas?
It's so nice.
So nice. Anything else? Is this so awesome? Hey, Dolly. All right, they're out of here. See you guys.